Unlike the client operating systems such as Windows 10, where you can start using the computer and consuming data just after installing the OS, this is not the case with Windows servers. After installing Windows Server, you can't do anything useful at this point, because the server purpose is to serve data in the first place, and until you tell the server what's its purpose, it will do nothing but consuming electricity. You have to tell the server what's its purpose in life, and this is done by adding roles and features. Installing a role on a server defines that server's role on the network. In other words, a role gives a server a purpose in life. For example, installing a file server role tells the server that its purpose is to serve files to the users and allow collaborative work. A feature, in the other hand, is a subset of functions that you can install on the server. Features can complete certain roles or stand on their own. So, the first step as a system administrator is to identify the roles needed in your organization, especially if you are building your Windows infrastructure from scratch. The deployed roles differ from an organization to another, but the commonly used roles you will find in each organization, whether it's a small one or a large one, are Domain Controller. This is the most important role in your infrastructure. It's the spinal column of your network, if I may say. All the other roles you will install in your organization will use or rely on the Domain Controller services. DHCP Server. It automatically attributes IP addresses to the client devices. DNS Server, that permits to the client computers to resolve URLs so that they can go on the internet. File Server. It allows users to store their files and documents on that server and also share them for collaboration purpose. We have also Print Server, Application Server, Backup Server, and Windows Update Server. We will have the opportunity to view in details each one of those roles in the following lessons.